Assalamu alaikum student. Today I will discuss the course and syllabus of FCS Computer Sciences second year Federal Board textbook. In second year book it consists of, especially second year Computer Science, it consists of 9 chapter. I will briefly discuss its course contents and syllabus that we will cover throughout the year. First is operating systems. First two chapters are related to theoretical portions. First chapter is operating system. In this chapter, we will discuss types of operating systems, single user operating system, multi-user operating system with relevant examples. Similarly, we will see the other features related to multitasking, multi-threading, multi-programming, etc. And we will discuss their uh, real real time, real life examples for the operating systems. Second chapter is system development life cycle. Basically, this chapter is in the domain of software engineering or requirement engineering. We will see its all SDL, LC, all phases: problem definition, analysis, flowchart, coding, designing, implementation. Similarly, we will see what is requirement engineering, what is requirement elicitations, what are the stakeholders to build a standardized software. These two chapters are related to the theoretical portions, and I want to also mention that I have already my YouTube video on software engineering, requirement engineering, and system development life cycles. Those students who have subscribed my YouTube channel can also see these informative video. What is software engineering? What is requirement engineering? What are the main steps? But remember, we will cover all the topics of the textbook one by one, inshallah. From third to chapter 9, these are the programming chapter of C++. Chapter 3rd, OOP in C++. OOP mean object oriented programming. This is the starting of programming. What are variables? Types of variables. What are constants? Similarly, types of constants, operators with types, arithmetical operator, relational operator, functional operators, and the basic initial programming related to operators, variables. How we can use variable in programs, how we can use operators, different types of operators, logical operators, relational operator, arithmetical operators in our program, and their relevant exercise questions and their relevant examples from the textbook. We will solve all these in our next videos. Chapter 4th, control structures. It is basically decision statements, else if statement, switch statement, if else, for loop, while loop, do while loops, and their relevant exercise questions and their relevant book program. We will solve all these programs one by one. Next, chapter 5th, arrays and string. What are arrays? One dimensional arrays, two dimensional arrays. How we can use arrays to find the sum of a number. How we can use the array to find the largest of number. Comparison, sorting, ascending, descending with examples. We will see in the next videos. As I have already uploaded some videos related to arrays, largest number, to find the largest number by using arrays, to find the smallest number by using array, sorting, ascending, descending. These videos are already on my YouTube channels. Those students who want to view these videos, they can find it on my YouTube channel. But remember, we will cover it, we will see it, we will resolve these programming one by one in next videos. Chapter 6, functions. Types of function. What are the functions? Built-in function, user-defined function. How we can define functions in C++? C++ में function को कैसे define किया जा सकता है? What are function overloading? Local and global functions, function scopes, their relevant exercise questions and their relevant examples according to the board point of view. Similarly, I have already uploaded some programs related to functions, function overloading, local and global functions on my YouTube channel. Those students who want to view it, they can find it on my YouTube channel. But remember, we will cover one by one topic in my next coming videos. Similarly, chapter 7, pointers. What are the pointers? Reference operators, dereference operator, pointer initializations, how we can use pointers in our programming, what are the purpose of pointers, their exercise question and their relevant book examples we will cover in the next videos according to the sequence of our syllabus and course contents. Chapter 8, objects and classes. What are objects and classes? What are class member function, data members? How many types of access specifiers? Public, private, protected. What are constructors? What are destructors? What is inheritance and polymorphisms? Their exercise, relevant questions and example we will resolve in further next coming videos. Similarly, last chapter, chapter 9, file handling, types of files, opening and closing files, stream function, stream input function, stream output functions. These are the course contents of C++. We will cover in these sessions. In this book, I have already told there are 9 chapters. First 2 chapters are related to theoretical portion, operating system and system development life cycles, and the rest remaining 7 chapters are related to the C++ programmings, and these are the course contents and syllabus of C++. And we will perform one by one all topics are related to the programming. We can see that 80% our course programming are related to the programming in C++. We will solve and resolve all programs on board. You can find it on my YouTube channel. For all students, I suggest and recommend for all students that they must subscribe my YouTube channel, so that when we upload next video related to the topic or course contents, then they can see it automatically. Those students who don't subscribe, they cannot see my uploaded video automatically. So you must subscribe and like my YouTube channel. And any problems related to the question thing, लेकिन स्टूडेंट्स वी विल स्टार्ट इट वन बाय वन. हम एक एक प्रोग्राम करेंगे, प्रोग्राम डिस्कस करेंगे. एनी प्रॉब्लम रिलेटेड टू प्रोग्रामिंग वीडियोस, रिलेटेड टू टॉपिक्स, यू कैन आस्क मी इन व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप. मैं इसका लिंक व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में शेयर कर दिया करूँगा. आप व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में भी क्वेश्चन कर सकते हैं, यूट्यूब चैनल के ऊपर भी, वहाँ पे कमेंट्स पर भी आप मुझसे क्वेश्चन कर सकते हैं. एंड आई विल आल्सो अपलोड these videos, these programming related videos according to the course contents. I will also upload it on my Facebook page. आप वहाँ पर भी इससे related question जो है वो कर सकते हैं. And I will fulfill your question in the next video. So these are the basically course and syllabus of FCS second year computer science, and I hope inshallah ta'ala we will cover all these topics in current session according to the federal board point of view. Okay ji, thank you. Allah Hafiz.